Struggling with sanding complex, curved wood parts? Our profile sanding machine solves your problem. Adaptive float-in brush heads, consistent finishing, less labor cost. Perfect paint finish starts with proper sanding and preparation. A high-quality sanding machine can't be achieved without mature R&D concepts, precise engineering design, and years of industry experience. A flawless sheet finish is never by chance. It's the inevitable result of meticulous pre-polishing. QUICKMO Technology's motor brush profile grinder can evenly polish wooden doors, American-style cabinets, carved and embossed panels, and curved irregular workpieces before UV painting and veneering processes. This creates a smooth and even base surface, providing the best possible processing foundation for subsequent spraying operations. Uniform and stable finishing, high-end, delicate panel texture, significantly increased factory production capacity. If you want furniture with zero defects, the key lies in high-standard pre-treatment of the panels.